All right, welcome once again to another wonderful class. We're going to learn AI, artificial intelligence, and in our last class we talked about social media marketing, and we're able to list out the 4 pillars that will enable you to do well in social media marketing, which is content, engagement, consistency, and analysis. All right, so we hope that you got much more from there. And should in case you have any question in any of our previous classes, please go to our WhatsApp platform and drop your question. If you have anything to ask, we are there to respond to you very, very well. All right, our admins are always online to attend to you whenever you have any question regarding to our classes. All right, so now we are going to learn AI. All right, and we're going to discuss some objective that you'll be understanding, that you use to understand what AI is all about and how you can do much on it. So we will understand what artificial intelligence AI is and why it matters. We explore common AI tools used for works and productivity. All right, we see practical examples of AI in action using chatgpt for content creation. So we'll complete a mini activity and assignment using AI tools. All right, so we'll go on to the meaning of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, AI, is basically referred to computer systems or machines that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. So we're going to look at type of artificial intelligence. There are generally 3 types of artificial intelligence based on capacity. Artificial intelligence based on capacity. And we are going to look at narrow AI or weak AI. Then the number 2, we'll look at general AI. Then the number 3, we look at super AI. So let's begin to look at them one after the other. So we're going to talk about narrow or weak AI. All right, so this type of AI is designed for specific tasks and can perform them well. All right, so let's say we have AI in your car. All right, or let's say we have AI in your car. Those AI only perform tasks within the car that it was programmed to. It does not do outside that that program. All right, so it cannot perform beyond its limitation. All right, I've said that before. It targets a simple subset. It targets a single subset. It is more like a specialist. Okay, let's take for instance, you can see that there are some doctors are specialists. They do not occupy in all the field. They all have their own area of concern or study. All right, so we have a doctor for a neurosurgeon doctor, we have a dentist, and so on and so forth. So let's take for example a neurosurgeon doctor. That's a doctor that is in charge of the brain and does not do any other thing aside from handling the brain issues. All right, so that is that on that. So example include Google Translator. Google Translator does not do outside what it was programmed for. We have Apple Siri. For those of you that use Apple iPhone, you know what Siri is just like a Google Translator, but a Google Translator is more of an Android device. All right, so we move on to visual assistant. There are some basic settings in your phone. For example, you can tell it to help you open your phone. For those of you that feel very lazy to open your phone, so you can see that. All right, we have calculators, we have chatbots, we see on websites and banking apps. You can see just like your chatbot. For Zenith Bank, there is a particular chatbot that that it looks like a guy, or yeah, I've forgotten how they used to call it, then it only attend to a specific area. All right, so we look at general or strong AI. All right, so this type of AI has human-like intelligence and can understand and perform a wide range of tasks similar to how humans can learn and adapt. All right, we have here AGI is more like a specialist and can handle various activities. Open AI like chatgpt is attempting to grow in this line. All right, so we'll use examples and you will see how this works in using the AI tools. Another type of AI like we listed before is super AI. A super AI surpasses human intelligence and can perform any task better than a human. Its existence is still hypothetical. It sees AI evolved to be so close to human sentiment and experience that it doesn't just understand them. It also evokes emotions, needs, belief, and desire of its own. Some of the critical characteristics of super AI include thinking, solving puzzles, then making judgment and decision on its own. So you can see that type of AI even surpasses human. All right, it has the ability to think, the ability to make judgment and decision on its own. Like for example, when you enter some website, they will tell you verify if you are humans, and they will give you some kind of things to identify. This type of AI can do that. All right, it is more like a human, or more than a human. All right, so that is that on super AI. We're going to look at type of artificial intelligence based on application in today's world. Type of intelligence based on application in today's world. We have generative AI, creating content, text, image, videos, and music. We have predictive AI for making forecasts, that's weather forecast. Reactive AI for very specific tasks. We have machine learning, classification, regression, data clustering. We have deep learning, image and speech recognition. We have narrow language processing, NLP language. We have computer vision, interpret and understand visual information. We have autonomous AI operating independently. We have expert system mimic human expertise. We have robotics combine AI with physical machines for various applications. We list about three types of AI, the narrow or the weak AI. We have generative AI and the super AI. But in our class, we're going to look at generative AI. So generative AI refers to systems that can create new text, new content, such as text, images, or music, often by learning from existing data. These include language models like chatgpt 3 and image generators. All right, so that is that on that. So we are going to look at examples using the chatgpt. So let's look at the examples using the chatgpt. Okay, welcome to the practical aspect of AI. We're going to use Chrome, then that's our default browser, and then we type chatgpt. So chatgpt is an AI tool. We have Meta AI from your WhatsApp. We have Qport. We have DeepSeek. Those are your example of AI tools, right? But we're going to use ChatGPT as a case study. So you just type ChatGPT in your browser and it will automatically open. Then we're going to see how AI can solve our problem. Let's assume I am a teacher. So let's assume I am a teacher. I'm a teacher, all right? And I want to be the best in my profession, or I want to produce the best student
in my class, what should I do? Alright, this is your problem that you have, or you just want to increase your level of professionalism. Maybe you want to be the best teacher and so on and so forth, but then you don't have the necessary ideas, you don't have the necessary things that could take you to the top. And of course, you know what it means bringing in a counselor, or bringing in someone that could actually teach you all of this. Alright, so all the tools have been generated for you. The computer has come that we basically do not need to find life hard for us. So let's go on and prompt this. I am a teacher and I want to be the best in my profession, or I want to produce the best students in my class. What should I do? All right, so let's click the arrow button. That's a powerful goal. To be the best teacher and bring out the best in your student, you will need to focus on your own growth, classroom strategies, and student-centered teaching. Here are practical steps. Invest in yourself first, alright? Deep subject knowledge. Make sure you fully understand your subject so you can explain it simply. Keep learning, at ten d workshop, read books or take online courses, many free on YouTube, academic and so on. Right? We have here reflect, okay, another point. Reflect after each class. Ask yourself, did they really understand today? What can I improve next time? Number two, know your students well. Identify strengths and weaknesses. Some students learn fast, others need repetition. Be approachable. Let them know they can ask questions without fear. Number three is say encourage effort, not just results. Praise hard work, not only high scores. Alright. So the third one says make learning engaging. Use stories and real life examples. This make abstract ideas practical. Alright, move on to use technology if possible. Project videos, even WhatsApp group for learning. So we move on to create a positive environment. Set clear rules to be kind. Students learn better when they respect, not fear, the teacher. Alright. So encourage teamwork and pair to pair learning. Yes, you can group them. Oya, do like this, let this group do like this, let this, you see that the student will unanimously come together and then see how they can solve that problem. Celebrate progress, even small wins, to motivate them. So focus on critical thinking, not just memorization. Yeah, ask students why and how, not only what. Give them problem that make them think, not just repeat notes. Train them to apply knowledge in real life. Yeah, these are basically what you need to add to them. Partner with parents, share progress updates, encourage parents to support learning at home. Build trust so they see you as a true mentor, not just a classroom instructor. Yeah, build trust, let the student begin to know you, that this student, this my teacher or this my lecturer is my mentor. You hear some people say my school father, my school mother. There must be something that maybe that lecturer, that teacher has done that makes it peculiar among others. Alright, be a role model. Practice honesty, discipline and respect. Your student will copy you. Yeah, that's basically what it means. Show passion for teaching and learning. Alright, so these are things that we are meant to do as a teacher, or while we are teaching we need to take it closer. I think even from doing this you'll be able to understand what it means to be the best teacher and also to produce the best students. It's not by what you teach, it's by your approach and the way you promote progress. All right, so we'll go back to our class.
You're welcome. From that example that we gave, you were able to understand how AI was able to solve some of our basic problems in the area that you're having challenges. And you can see how AI was able to talk to us like more of a human, all right? So you can practice that at home or after this class. All right, so you can use AI to solve any problem at all that you are having, whether educational or any other areas you want to solve. So we come to the end of this class. Thank you very much for staying up to this time. We appreciate your efforts, and we wish you good luck in your digital skill journey.